we divide 404 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 4 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting, we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 0. So 404 divided by 5 is 80 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.